Shimmer, shade, and depth are defining qualities of a modern luxury finish. Reflective surfaces create a pleasing visual experience that is vital for consumers. With this in mind, Konica Minolta Sensing designed the handheld Spectrophotometer CM M6. This multi-angle spectrophotometer controls the color of complex paints, plastics, and coatings. The CM M6 provides measurement data at 6 selectable angles, ideal for capturing high-end metallic and pearlescent finishes. As paints and coatings become more complex, it is important that brightness and other color-related standards remain consistent. The CM M6 helps manufacturers and quality control professionals worldwide manage color for the automotive industry. Not only does a quality finish impact consumer perception, but precision color measurement saves time and waste throughout the manufacturing process. This multi-angle spectrophotometer controls the color of complex paints, plastics, powders, and coatings for a wide variety of applications. The CM M6 provides measurement data at 6 selectable angles, ideal for capturing finishes that exhibit visual changes at different angles. Not only does a quality finish impact consumer perception, but precision color measurement saves time and waste throughout the manufacturing process. To begin measurement, power the CM M6 with a chargeable battery, AC adapter, or a USB cable. Then perform a 0 and white calibration. You have the ability to choose from different angles or capture all 6. Place the instrument against the evaluation area and push the measurement button. It's that easy. A unique double-path illumination system offers error-free orientation that is not found in other multi-angle devices. As a result of this technology, you can quickly produce stable readings on curved or flat surfaces. Lightweight handling and a scratch prevention contact area provides comfortable and efficient operation. To take measurements even further, optional Bluetooth support will send data to remote devices over wireless connections. A complete quality control system is possible with the instrument's standalone menu. Optional software, SpectraMagic DX, allows you to save, export, and print CM M6 will help you to measure and control color with confidence. To learn more,